el asombroso paraguas de ella. Había una vez, en un pequeño y acogedor pueblo, una niña curiosa llamada Ella. A ella le encantaba explorar y descubrir cosas nuevas, pero lo que más le gustaba era jugar afuera, sin importar el clima. Una mañana soleada, mientras hurgaba en el ático de su abuela, se topó con algo extraordinario, un hermoso paraguas. El paraguas era diferente a cualquiera que hubiera visto antes. Estaba cubierto de patrones de colores que se arremolinaban brillando como un arco iris. Cuando ella lo abrió, una suave brisa giró a su alrededor y ella sintió algo mágico en el aire. ¡Guau! Exclamó, observando cómo el paraguas brillaba y cambiaba de colores, de un amarillo brillante a un azul profundo. Me pregunto qué más puedes hacer. Curiosa por descubrirlo, ella salió al exterior y abrió el paraguas de par en par. En cuanto lo hizo, el cielo se transformó. El sol brilló intensamente y cálidos rayos besaron sus mejillas. El paraguas se agrandó y se volvió de un brillante tono amarillo, como un enorme girasol floreciendo contra el cielo azul. De repente, Ella escuchó un alegre trino cerca. Miró hacia arriba y vio a un pajarito revoloteando entre las ramas de un árbol. ¡Hola!, dijo el pájaro. ¡Qué hermoso día soleado! ¿Es ese un paraguas mágico? Sí, respondió ella, con los ojos llenos de emoción. Cambia con el clima. ¿No te gustaría dar un pequeño vuelo conmigo?, preguntó el pájaro, batiendo sus alas de forma juguetona. Ella se rió y flotó en el aire. El paraguas la elevaba suavemente, como si tuviera sus propias alas. Voló junto al pájaro, sintiendo el viento pasar rápidamente. «¡Esto es asombroso!», gritó, riendo mientras danzaban entre nubes blancas y esponjosas. Después de un rato, el cielo se volvió de un suave color gris, y ella notó que empezaban a caer gotas de agua. «Oh, no, parece que va a llover», dijo, preocupada. Pero al abrir el paraguas de nuevo, este se transformó en un hermoso tono azul profundo, y mágicamente se encogió para cubrirla perfectamente. El sonido de las gotas de lluvia golpeando el paraguas era como música, un suave y rítmico repiqueteo. «¡Ven a jugar con nosotros!», croó una amigable rana saltando desde un nenúfar cercano. «La lluvia es maravillosa para chapotear». Ella se rió y flotó hacia el estanque donde la rana la esperaba. Con cada salto y chapoteo, la rana hacía suaves sonidos al caer en los charcos. Ella intentó saltar con él. Su paraguas la guiaba sobre el agua, creando pequeños arcoíris mientras las gotas bailaban a su alrededor. «Esto es muy divertido», exclamó, chapoteando feliz. A medida que la lluvia comenzaba a disminuir, ella notó que el mundo a su alrededor cambiaba de nuevo. El sol asomó entre las nubes y decidió abrir su paraguas una vez más. Esta vez se transformó en un suave y esponjoso blanco, como una nube. De repente, una suave ráfaga de viento sopló, y ella sintió cómo la elevaba alto en el aire. ¡Ué!, gritó, girando de alegría hasta que se encontró flotando en un país de maravillas invernal. El suelo estaba cubierto de una espesa capa de nieve brillante, y todo estaba en silencio, excepto por el crujido de la nieve bajo sus pies. Al mirar alrededor, ella vio un gran oso polar peludo vagando cerca. «Hola, pequeña», dijo el oso polar, con una voz profunda y cálida. «Bienvenida a mi hogar nevado». «Hola», respondió ella, su aliento visible en el aire frío. «¿Qué haces en la nieve?». El oso polar sonrió y dijo, «Sígueme, vamos a hacer bolas de nieve y a deslizarnos por las colinas». Ella y el oso polar jugaron juntos, riendo y rodando en la nieve. Con cada lanzamiento de una bola de nieve, el sonido era como un suave golpe contra el suelo. Se deslizaban por las colinas. Ella chillaba de alegría. Después de un día encantador jugando en la nieve, ella sintió un calor familiar regresar al aire. Abrió su paraguas mágico una vez más y se volvió de un cálido tono dorado, listo para llevarla de regreso a casa. «Gracias por una aventura increíble», dijo ella a sus nuevos amigos. «No puedo esperar para explorar con ustedes de nuevo». Con eso, el paraguas la llevó suavemente de vuelta a su pueblo, donde el sol se estaba poniendo y el cielo se tornaba de brillantes tonos de naranja y rosa. Ella cerró su paraguas, con el corazón lleno de alegría. Sabía que cuando quisiera explorar las maravillas del clima, todo lo que tenía que hacer era abrir su paraguas mágico y dejar que la aventura comenzara. Desde ese día, ella y su asombroso paraguas emprendieron muchos viajes juntos, descubriendo la belleza del sol, la alegría de la lluvia y la magia de la nieve, siempre llevando risas y amistad a donde fueran.
And the sun is shining bright, Ella skips with pure delight. Come and play, let's have some fun underneath the golden sun. Ella's weather adventure, come along with me, flying high with the birds so wild and free. Splashing in the puddles, hopping with the frog, playing in the snow with the polar bear, what a day to log. Hit a dirt patter, hear the rain, jumping in the puddles, oh what a game. With a little frog, we splash around. Whee! Look at me, I'm jumping off the ground. Ella's weather adventure, come along with me, flying high with the birds so wild and free. Splashing in the puddles, hopping with the frog, playing in the snow with the polar bear, what a day to log. Snowflakes falling soft and white, Ella twirls in pure delight. With a big polar bear we slide and play, making snow angels hip hip hooray. Ella's weather adventure, come along with me, flying high with the birds so wild and free. Splashing in the puddles, hopping with the frog, playing in the snow with the polar bear, what a day to log. Sunny, rainy, snowy too, every day brings something new. Let's embrace the weather cheer, with friends beside us there's nothing to fear. Ella's weather adventure, come along with me, flying high with the birds so wild and free. Splashing in the puddles, hopping with the frog, playing in the snow with the polar bear, what a day to log. So let's explore, sing loud and clear, with every weather adventure there's so much to cheer. Ella's weather adventure, we'll sing and play, join us in the fun every single day.
Ella's Amazing Umbrella. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a curious girl named Ella. Ella loved exploring and discovering new things, but what she loved most was playing outside, no matter the weather. One bright morning, while rummaging through her grandmother's attic, she stumbled upon something extraordinary, a beautiful umbrella. The umbrella was unlike any she had ever seen. It was covered in swirling patterns of colours, glistening like a rainbow. As Ella opened it, a gentle breeze swirled around her, and she felt something magical in the air. "Wow!" she exclaimed, watching as the umbrella shimmered and changed colours from bright yellow to deep blue. "I wonder what else you can do." Curious to find out, Ella stepped outside and opened the umbrella wide. The moment she did, the sky transformed. The sun shone brightly, and warm rays kissed her cheeks. The umbrella enlarged and turned a brilliant shade of sunny yellow, like a giant sunflower blooming against the blue sky. Suddenly, Ella heard a cheerful chirping sound nearby. She looked up to see a small bird flitting through the branches of a tree. "Hello," the bird called. "What a lovely sunny day. Is that a magical umbrella?" Yes," Ella replied, her eyes sparkling with excitement. "It changes with the weather." "Would you like to join me for a little flight?" asked the bird, flapping its wings playfully. Ella giggled and floated up into the air, the umbrella lifting her gently as if it had wings of its own. She soared beside the bird, feeling the wind rush past her. "This is amazing!" she shouted, laughing as they danced through our fluffy white clouds. After a while, the sky turned a soft grey, and Ella noticed droplets of water starting to fall. "Oh, no, it looks like it's going to rain," she said, looking worried. But as she opened her umbrella again, it changed into a beautiful shade of deep blue and magically shrank down to fit snugly above her head. The sound of raindrops pattering against the umbrella was like music, a soft and rhythmic pitter-patter. "Come play with us," croaked a friendly frog, hopping from a nearby lily pad. "The rain is wonderful for splashing." Ella giggled and floated down to the pond, where the frog waited. With each jump and splash, the frog made soft plop sounds as he landed in the puddles. Ella tried to jump with him, her umbrella guiding her over the water, creating little rainbows as the droplets danced around them. "This is so much fun!" she exclaimed, splashing happily. As the rain began to slow, Ella noticed the world around her changing again. The sun peeked through the clouds, and she decided to open her umbrella once more. This time it transformed into a soft, fluffy white, just like a cloud. Suddenly, a gentle gust of wind blew, and Ella felt herself being lifted high into the air. "Whee!" she shouted, spinning with delight until she found herself floating down into a winter wonderland. The ground was covered in a thick blanket of sparkling white snow, and everything was silent except for the crunch, crunch of snow underfoot. As she looked around, Ella spotted a big, fluffy polar bear wandering nearby. "Hello, little one," the polar bear said, his voice deep and warm. "Welcome to my snowy home." "Hi," Ella replied, her breath visible in the cold air. "What do you do in the snow?" The polar bear smiled and said, "Follow me, let's make snowballs and slide down the hills." Ella and the polar bear played together, laughing and rolling in the snow. With each throw of a snowball, the sound was like a soft thud against the ground. They slid down the hills, Ella squealing with joy. After a delightful day of playing in the snow, Ella felt a familiar warmth creeping back into the air. She opened her magical umbrella once more, and it turned into a warm golden shade, ready to take her home. "Thank you for an amazing adventure," Ella said to her new friends. "I can't wait to explore with you again." With that, the umbrella gently floated her back to her village, where the sun was setting and the sky turned brilliant shades of orange and pink. Ella closed her umbrella, her heart full of joy. She knew that whenever she wanted to explore the wonders of weather, all she had to do was open her magical umbrella and let the adventure begin. From that day on, Ella and her amazing umbrella took many journeys together, discovering the beauty of sunshine, the joy of rain, and the magic of snow, always bringing laughter and friendship wherever they went.
And the sun is shining bright, Ella skips with pure delight. Come and play, let's have some fun underneath the golden sun. Alice weather adventure, come along with me. Flying high with the birds, so wild and free. Splashing in the puddles, hopping with the frog. Playing in the snow with the polar bear, what a day to log. Hit a dirt patter, hear the rain. Jumping in the puddles, oh what a game. With a little frog, we splash around. Whee! Look at me, I'm jumping off the ground. Alice weather adventure, come along with me. Flying high with the birds, so wild and free. Splashing in the puddles, hopping with the frog. Playing in the snow with the polar bear, what a day to log. Snowflakes falling soft and white, Ella twirls in pure delight. With a big polar bear we slide and play, making snow angels hip hip hooray. Alice weather adventure, come along with me. Flying high with the birds, so wild and free. Splashing in the puddles, hopping with the frog. Playing in the snow with the polar bear, what a day to log. Sunny, rainy, snowy too. Every day brings something new. Let's embrace the weather, cheer. With friends beside us, there's nothing to fear. Alice weather adventure, come